Okay, so I probably should have got one of these a long time ago. I tried to foil some stickers with a laminator and it didn't work out that well. So I bit the bullet and bought me a Minc. I caught it on sale for about $105. Probably could have gotten a used one for $85 on eBay, but I don't know. I just have this thing about used products. Certain things I will get used, some things I won't. I bought a used camera and it works just fine. But I also got it from a camera store, a reputable one in Orlando when we were on a trip one time. So there's that. I went ahead and got the 12-inch because I want to do some things. So why get the small one when you can go big or go home? I'm just gonna open this up. Unbox. So it's telling you must use the carrier sheet when running the toner and foil materials. Otherwise, the machine may be damaged or jammed. I don't know how true it is. I've seen videos where people don't use the carrier sheet. I might just go ahead and use one just to be on the safe side because this is my first time owning the Minc. If you guys have different, please comment below and let me know. Because like I said, I should have done this a long time ago when I started making candles, but I did not. So here I am. And I hope this is not used because it's got a little bit of damage on it. You know, companies will get something back, put some plastic back on it like it's new. And then you wonder why your product does not work. Yeah, it's got a little bit of damage on the corner. I don't know if you can even see that. Just a little. It could have been in shipping en route. Who knows? But I guess we're about to find out. Okay. I'm going to turn this on. I'm gonna heat it up to 3. A lot of people I see use 3 or 4. So I'm just gonna do that. And it has an F and an R button. I'm gonna assume that's speed and reverse. It came with this foil already in here and the carrier sheet. And you can see the indicator light blinking, indicating that it's heating up. I'm going to assume this is a lot faster than your typical laminator. And I'll probably get some more carrier sheets, but this is the carrier sheet it came with. No idea why my carrier sheet has a dot, look like they hole punched it, but there we go. Take that off. And ooh, I can smell this machine. So I have a laser printer that I've had for quite some time. So I just printed out these labels. I've had this sticker paper for a while. I got this from onlinelabels.com. And it's the 2.5 by 2.5 squares. And these are like laundry sheet stickers that I'm gonna try to foil for my containers. And it came with foil, but I am going to be using a couple of different foils that I want to try. I have some neat foils. I have some foils that I bought from Amazon. And I also have some bluebonnet foils. I actually found her from a lady on YouTube that I follow. And she sent me 3 that I purchased and 3 extras. Like awesome, beautiful foils. from what I can tell, because she uses her own stickers on her containers. So yes, I was right. This one is reverse, this one's forward. So of course I wanted to go forward. And for the first one, I'm going to use, I want to see how this deco foil does. I tried it in my laminator with some foils some years and years ago. And it seemed to come out good, but I don't know why I did not continue to foil labels back then. I probably could have made a killing, but I'm a procrastinator and I have ADHD. So I don't always finish what I started. And I also don't like the way deco foils houses their foils. It's quite annoying getting them back in that little tube. And they come in these itty bitty sheets and they're so expensive. But also, so I'm not wasting foil, I am going to just cut this to what I'm going to use for this top set of stickers. Because again, like I said, I'm trying different kinds, so we're gonna see how these work out with these particular labels. I would use my paper cutter on these, but I do not want to damage the foil. I have my brayer tool, so I'm just gonna use that to kind of smooth it out a little bit, maybe. Let's see if I can get it to smooth out a little. And throw this in the carrier sheet. They make it look so easy on YouTube. The lies, boy, the lies. I know some people use washi tape too, to make it, I guess, stick and stay. So we're just gonna run that through there. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, that's so damaging right there. I don't like that. But let me tell you guys how much that worked. Oh my God, look at that. Nice. I don't even know if you can see it in the picture, but yeah, that came out really well. Like I said, I should have bought one of these a long time ago. So lesson learned, only cover what you're going to foil, because now I got ink on my carrier sheet. But even the one from Amazon came out pretty good. My printer messed up a little bit and there's a little bit of spots on them, but I also did not dust it off either, so shame on me. But look at how good that came out, guys. Amazing. I love it. Okay, so I can't for the life of me remember where I got this foil from, but it is really thick, guys. And it's possibly a little bit damaged because of the way I stored it, but we're gonna try it out anyway. The image, you can't really see it. My printer, ever since my boyfriend recalibrated it, it prints now, but it does not. I have to get my margins correct when I'm printing on smaller paper now. but I will deal with that later. I'm just happy that the darn thing prints without me having to reset my laptop. So we're gonna run this through and see how it does. I'll have to figure out where I got this paper from. It's gorgeous, very pretty. But again, don't ask me where I got it from. Pretty sure Amazon somewhere. All right, let's see how this one did. Like I said, it's really thick. I can't even see the imprint of the foil. And ooh, it's not coming up either. It is stuck to my carrier sheet, guys. Maybe it's the wrong type of foil. I guess I'm about to find out. And it is the wrong type of foil.